Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide on all matters real estate and personal finance. In today's episode, we're going to explore an essential topic: how to develop financial resilience during economic downturns. We all know that economic storms can hit unexpectedly, leaving many unprepared and vulnerable. But fear not. We're here with practical steps you can take to shield yourself financially and come out stronger on the other side. Stick around to discover the steps you can take to protect your financial health in tough times. First, it's crucial to understand what financial resilience means. So, let's get into it. Financial resilience is the ability to withstand and recover from temporary difficulties, such as job loss or large unexpected expenses. It's about being able to bounce back from financial shocks without being thrown off course. Think of financial resilience as a safety net that softens the fall during turbulent times. It's the financial cushion that keeps you afloat, enabling you to navigate through life's uncertainties without panicking. But why is financial resilience so important? Consider this. Life is full of surprises, some pleasant, others not so much. Economic downturns, pandemics, personal health crises, or sudden job loss, these are all situations that can strike unexpectedly. And when they do, they often bring financial stress along with them. That's where financial resilience comes into play. It acts as your financial shield, protecting you from these unexpected blows. It provides you with the means to meet your financial obligations, even when your income takes a hit. It gives you the peace of mind to focus on resolving the crisis at hand, rather than being consumed by financial worries. Moreover, financial resilience is not just about surviving during tough times. It's also about coming out stronger and thriving once the storm has passed. It enables you to take advantage of opportunities that may arise during economic downturns, like investing in undervalued assets or starting a business when others are too afraid to take the risk. So, how can financial resilience safeguard individuals during economic downturns? By having a robust financial cushion, you're less likely to fall into debt or need to sell assets to cover expenses. This resilience gives you the freedom to adjust your lifestyle or make choices that will help you weather the storm and come out on the other side in a stronger financial position. With a clear understanding of financial resilience, let's explore how to build it. Stay tuned as we delve into the steps to developing your financial resilience, providing you with the tools to safeguard your future, no matter what life throws your way. The first step towards financial resilience is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund, for those who may not know, is a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. Here's where your emergency fund comes in. Picture it as your financial safety net. It's money you've set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses, such as a sudden loss of income, major health issues, or significant home repairs. Having an emergency fund can be the difference between a temporary hardship and a financial disaster. So why is it important? Well, without an emergency fund, you may need to cash out your retirement savings, take on high-interest credit card debt, or even forego necessities to cover unexpected costs. Each of these options can lead to long-term financial damage. With an emergency fund, however, you can weather financial surprises without derailing your financial future. Now, how can you start and grow your emergency fund? Here are a few practical tips. First, set a goal. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. However, the right amount for you depends on your financial situation. Second, make regular contributions. Even small amounts can add up over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier. Third, keep your emergency fund separate from your regular checking account. This will help you resist the temptation to dip into it for everyday expenses. Lastly, prioritize your emergency fund. It's a critical part of your financial plan, not an afterthought. So, before you splurge on that new gadget or vacation, make sure your emergency fund is well stocked. Remember, the goal here isn't to build your emergency fund overnight. It's a long-term commitment, but the peace of mind it provides is well worth the effort. An emergency fund is a safety net that can help you navigate financial storms. So, start building yours today and take the first step towards financial resilience. Diversifying income streams is another crucial step in developing financial resilience. Imagine you're an archer. You have a single arrow to hit the bullseye. If you miss, game over. But what if you had multiple arrows? Your chances of hitting the target would drastically increase, right? The same concept applies to your income. Relying on just one source of income is like depending on that single arrow. If it fails, you're left vulnerable. Diversifying your income is like having multiple arrows in your quiver, ready to be launched. It's about creating multiple avenues of income that can buffer you against the unpredictable tides of economic downturns. So how do you diversify your income? First, think about the skills you have. Can you monetize them? For example, if you're good at graphic design, consider freelancing or selling your designs online. If you're a whiz at baking, how about starting a small home-based bakery? Second, consider passive income streams. These are income sources that require little to no effort to maintain once they're established. Think rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from a book you've written. Third, think about side hustles. These are small jobs or tasks that you can do in your spare time to earn extra cash. It could be dog walking, selling handmade crafts, or even tutoring. And remember, diversifying your income isn't just about increasing the amount of money coming in, it's about creating a safety net that can protect you during tough economic times. It's about ensuring that if one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. It's about building resilience, and that, my friends, is the ultimate goal. So take a moment to explore your options, identify your skills, and start diversifying your income today. Because the more arrows you have in your quiver, the better your chances of hitting that financial bullseye. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing wisely is the third step to building financial resilience. Now, let's take a moment to understand what it means to invest wisely. It's not about chasing the next big thing or putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Look at investing like a long-distance journey. You wouldn't start a road trip without a map or a destination in mind, would you? Similarly, investing should be guided by a clear plan that outlines where you want to go and how you plan to get there. This plan should take into consideration your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment timeline. Investing wisely also means diversifying your portfolio. This doesn't mean you should scatter your money aimlessly across various assets. Instead, it's about spreading your investments in a way that balances risk and return. The idea is not to put all your eggs in one basket, but to spread them out across several baskets. This reduces the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't perform well. Another crucial aspect of investing wisely is regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy. The economic landscape is always changing, and so too should your investment strategy. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and adjust as necessary. Lastly, remember that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for wealth creation that requires patience and discipline. It's about consistently investing over time, regardless of market conditions. This is what we call the power of compound interest, the ability of an investment to grow exponentially over time. So, how does all of this contribute to financial resilience? Well, investing wisely helps you grow your wealth, which in turn increases your financial security. It provides a buffer against financial shocks and allows you to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. It also empowers you to make choices that enhance your financial well-being rather than being at the mercy of economic downturns. Investing wisely can help grow your wealth and secure your financial future. In conclusion, building financial resilience is a proactive approach to safeguarding your financial health. Throughout this video, we've explored the concept of financial resilience and its importance, especially during economic downturns. We've delved into 3 key steps that form the backbone of building this resilience. Firstly, we discussed the creation of an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, a buffer to protect you from unexpected financial storms. Building this fund is a journey, not a sprint. So start small, grow steadily, and remember consistency is the secret sauce. Secondly, we talked about diversifying income streams. Relying solely on one source of income is akin to putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your insurance against the unpredictable nature of the economy. Start exploring those side hustles, investments, and passive income opportunities today. Finally, we rounded up with investing wisely. It's not just about making more money, but also about making your money work for you. Knowledge is power, so educate yourself and make informed decisions about where and how to invest. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these steps one at a time. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Financial resilience is not built overnight, But with patience, consistency, and the right knowledge, you can and will weather any economic storm. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content on personal finance and real estate. Until next time, stay resilient.